Beautiful morning. I'm here at the salon this morning. Didn't get to do my official good morning. I'm doing the official morning in the janitorial room. Yeah, so good morning, guys. Good morning. I had to run out this morning. Today's gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna make it nice and short, this intro. So I gotta get my Virgin. He's flying in from Florida. He's coming up on the 10:40 flight, 10:30 something. I gotta go to the airport. So there's a few little errands I had to run before I go pick him up. It's like 8:39 now, so I gotta go drop off the wood flooring for the Peppers project over at Peppers. I gotta measure or pick up the door because I'm gonna buy the door frame, which is close to the airport. So I gotta go measure the door just to make sure I get the right frame. I'm gonna probably bring that door with me, just to make sure. So I'm gonna pick that door up, drop off the wood flooring, clean the salon real quick, head to the airport. Leaving the airport, we're gonna go get the frames because it's down on time now, so I can't stop. So I'm gonna pick him up first, head over to the frames, and then come back and figure out what I'm gonna do with the trailer, guys. I'm gonna probably take the trailer up, empty a couple of stuff out of it, and then while he's here, he could help me with all of that. So I'm gonna do all of that today. Today is gonna be a super crazy day. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cover everything, but I'm gonna try my best just to see what today entails. I might have to break it up into 2 videos starting now. Yeah, and I'm talking a little bit fast because I'm trying to hurry up to get to the airport. It's already 9 o'clock and I still have 2 stops. I gotta stop at Peppers, as what I said, and then I gotta go to pick up a mirror at home for one of these rooms. One of these barber rooms is rented, so they need a mirror set up. So I gotta pick up an extra one. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll see you at Peppers. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with the salon. It's nice and clean in here. I had cleaned late yesterday, so it's not that dirty. Just a little bit of here, vacuum, clean the front kiosk. It's a lot of fingerprints on the kiosk. Every time somebody touch it, it's not like an anti-fingerprint type of deal. So every time someone touches it, hold on one second, guys. I'm thinking I should bring this ladder. Yeah, every time someone touches it, it gets smudged up, you know. So I have to clean it every day, twice a day. Every time I come here, I clean it pretty much, you know. Every time I come here, I gotta clean that kiosk. So yeah, I'm gonna bring this ladder. I need the ladder because on top of the food trailer, it's kind of high, so I gotta climb up there. So instead of trying to figure out how to get up there, backing up the truck towards it, I could just put the ladder right up against it. So yeah. Yeah guys, hold on. Alright, so let me get it inside Smokey. Smokey is the official work truck, guys. Work truck. So yeah, see? Smokey needs some tires on the front. I'll get me some tires for Smokey. At least one more tire. And then I could put the 2 new ones in front and the 2 used ones in back. It is rear wheel drive, but the front ones are worn. Anyhow, done with the salon. This is the back of the salon. Salon is clean, so now I'm gonna head over to Peppers. Let's see, what time is it. I gotta keep track of the time, guys. So it's 9 o'clock now, right? So I should be all right. The later it gets, the less traffic you have here in Atlanta. So if it's early in the morning, it's gonna take an hour to get down there. If it's late, the later it gets, the the less traffic we have. At this time of morning, there's a lot of traffic on the highways. So I'm going to head over to the restaurant real quick, drop these things off. These are the panels. I had forgot to take them out, so I'm gonna drop those off right now. I just thought of something. I think I should rent me a trailer from U-Haul. No, it's gonna cost more money. I was thinking of renting a trailer from U-Haul and then put the refrigerators on that trailer and then tow those up and leave the trailer, you know. But I think I'm gonna bring the trailer so I could clean it out, throw stuff out, and you know what I'm saying, get rid of some stuff. So good thing about this house right here, when in no subdivision, there's no what do you call it, there's no homeowners and all of that, so I could park whatever I want to park in that driveway, you know what I'm saying, or in that yard. Put my seatbelt on, guys. Yeah, so we're on our way. Finished with the salon. I'm heading over to the Peppers now, Peppers project. I'm gonna drop these things off and then I'm gonna head over to at home to get a mirror. I need a mirror for the barber room. So both barber rooms are rented, guys. I got 2 rooms rented. 2 of those out of those 3 rooms rented. Actually 3 rooms. So that big room right there that I was painting, someone wants it, but they're not quite ready for it yet. So he's gonna actually sign for a smaller room for a couple months and then transition to that big room if it's available. We're not holding any rooms for anyone. It's a first come first serve basis, and as I said, if it's still available when he's ready, then he'll move into it. If not, he'll just have to, you know, stay in that smaller room until it becomes available, or possibly move out. It's just one of them things where we're not gonna turn him down. He needs a space to work, but his partner, who he's partnering with, is not ready yet. They're not here, so we're gonna have him work out of our daily rental room until he could transition into a bigger room. So I do have another room I could use as a daily rental, so I'm gonna use that room in the back. There's a room that the tiles needed to be changed. I'm gonna use that room to do the daily rentals. So hopefully we'll be okay for another, you know, couple weeks without anyone moving out. I still have some people in there. I think one is scheduled to move out the end of the month, so as they come in, we have people going out, you know what I'm saying. It's just part of the game. It's a motel business. It's a hotel motel business. They come in for a period of time and they leave. It's just that this business is a little bit more long term. It's not they're not moving in every day, moving out every day. You know, some of them don't start, but most of them, you know, it's a couple months before they move out, you know. So it's never normally the first week and then move out. Once or twice we had someone who actually moved right out, you know. So you know, yeah. So I just thought of something, guys. That's why I paused. I need to call the hood guy to schedule his part of the work. So, yeah. Already spoke to the plumber this morning, so he's gearing up to start digging. I gotta go to the county in the morning to find out, you know, if we could start digging and doing that part of it. So and then the permits and stuff. So I'm gonna follow up with the county tomorrow morning just to see what's going on with our plans. Anyhow, it's a lot of work, guys. We're on it. We're getting it done. I'm heading over to Peppers now, so we're gonna drop these things off and move to the next spot. You know, as far as the subscriptions, guys, I appreciate it. You know, the other day I was saying I lost one person, but guess what? I lost one person and got like 4. So I'm glad you guys liking what you're seeing. You know, every now and then people are commenting, and you know what I'm saying. So I like the fact that they're commenting, whether it's good, it's bad. I accept everything. You know what I'm saying. I appreciate everything. I'll you know, I take constructive criticism. So you know, I'll answer almost everyone. I might not answer at the same time, but I'll give you an answer. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the comments, guys. I appreciate it. This is what I'm doing right here, documenting my life pretty much. It's you know, I kind of love it. I'm thinking that I love it right now. So even if I have no subscription, guys, it's something that I like to document. You know, earlier out, as I said, earlier out in life, I would have probably never thought of documenting this. I'm a private person, you know, growing up and up until I'm an adult. So you know, now I've gotten up to a point where it doesn't matter. We've gotten to a point in life where nothing is private anymore. Even if you're not documenting it like here, like how I'm doing it right here, it's so much. People are videoing every day. Your information, everything is out there. So you know, I think it's okay in this time and age. Before, growing up as a kid, it was different. You know what I'm saying, guys? I am that old. I'm not 30 years old. I'm way past 30. So for all you guys watching this thinking that I'm a young guy, I ain't. I just, as I told you, I found the fountain of youth. So that's why I look this young. But you know, most of you who are, you know, if you're 30, I could be your dad, pretty much. So you know, yeah, guys. But I'm on it. I'm here. Getting it done. I'm pulling up now, so I'm gonna take these things out and then move to the next stop. Give me a second, guys. I saw some people over here. Yeah, let me get to this. Hold on 1 second. Alright, guys, so keep this vacuum in here because I'm gonna use it at the I'm gonna use it at the salon. When I bore them holes, there's gonna be a lot of wood chips, so I use that vacuum right there to clean it up. Anyway, let me get cranking. I saw a plumber over here. He's working on the grease trap over there. I guess he's giving them prices. So yeah, guys, you can't have enough plumbers. You can't have enough plumbers, guys. Let me take you with me. Yeah, the more plumbers, the better. When one fails, you just call the other. You know, I got one plumber. He's gonna do everything. But if he, you know, can't do something, then I'll, you know. So I stack these up, so right there. Let me get my keys. I always walk with the plans just in case I gotta show someone. So see, I got the tiles right here. I'm gonna come back and pack these tiles on this pallet so we can move them around. We got our hood right here. We got a pallet jack back there. Guys, every time I come in here, I'm gonna show you again, just in case you didn't see the last video. Here we got our 3-tier sink and everything set up right here. It's not, you know, we have to do the plumbing in here before we even install those. But I'm rushing, guys, because I gotta go. As I said, I'm gonna bring the refrigerators and everything and store them in here, cover them up. That way when we work in, they don't get dusty and dirty. But I'm gonna start storing everything right here in this section. And the reason for that is my space in my garage is kind of tight. there's no space. So it's good to have everything here. That way we could put them in place and make sure everything fits before, you know, certain things like the oven. I would like to get the oven in here just in case that doorway, you know, just to have it physically fit through the door instead of measuring stuff. So, you know, I'm gonna get most of the equipment in here. Alright guys, let me check out and head to the next stop. Alright guys, it's early and I'm sweating. Woo! So I put the flooring inside, and then I got the ladder in the back. We're taking that to the truck yard. And I got the door that I'm gonna buy the frames for. I'm gonna put those doors. I just took the door just to be sure it's the right frames. I'm gonna measure it up. I got my tape measure. I'm gonna measure it up once we get there. Alright, so let's see, what time is it. Let me head over to I'm gonna head down to At Home. I'm gonna stop in At Home, pick up a mirror, and then head to the next destination, which is the airport. So let me put the GPS in real quick. At Home, this one right here. So yeah, we're going to At Home. They sell home goods, home stuff, and mirrors, anything for a home, for the home. So I'm gonna jump on the highway, and according to this, it says to take it's saying to take local road. So I'm gonna get going, guys. I guess the highway is blocked up, so I'm gonna take local way and head on down. Alright guys, let me get going, because I gotta finish what I'm doing so I could head to the airport. I'm sweating, guys. Hold on one second. Let me get some napkins. Turn some beer on. Got my coffee right here. Guys, I'm drinking coffee today. I don't know, I felt some coffee this morning. Excuse me moving the camera all over the place, guys. It's just that I have to hold it in my hand when I'm filming. Alright, so see, that's the spot right there. Vape shop to the left, Peppers in the middle, and then there's a taco spot coming to the right. And then we got the Circle K behind us right here. Circle K. So yeah. Yeah, I gotta get the plumbers to check those water lines too as well. Yeah. Alright guys, so we heading down to At Home. So I'll check back in. I'm just gonna drive down there. It don't make no sense me filming the whole way. It just takes up a lot of footage. I'm trying to cut the videos down, so let's head down and then check back in when I get to At Home. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so we are at home. Yeah, gonna pick up the mirror. Hello, how are you? Yeah. So we're gonna get the mirror real quick. But this is At Home, guys. They got Halloween stuff. It's a huge warehouse. They got everything for the house in here. Look, aisles going that way. They got flowers, fake flowers. I need to get some flowers for my mom's site. But yeah, see they got all these flowers right here. Green stuff. I'm gonna get some of those for peppers. All home goods. Pillows, pots, small garbage cans, pottery, you know, vases. We got tons of stuff in here, guys. Tons of stuff. These are the mirrors. This is the mirror section. Now I'm trying to remember which mirror we had gotten. I think this is it right here. 99. I think it was a smaller one. This one, 79. So look guys, so 79 bucks. These are the ones that, so they got this one and they have a larger one for 99 bucks. But I think we got the smaller one for 79. So I'm gonna grab one of these real quick. See, they got those bigger ones and they got this smaller one right here. This size is good enough. We don't need, we've been using this size in all our rooms. So yeah, but they got all these things, guys. They got mirrors, they got, you know, carpets, rugs, more mirrors, you know, pillows over there, sheet sets. This is all mirrors, different kind of mirrors. They got patio furniture over there. It's just a huge warehouse, huge, going that way, going that way. So I'm gonna pick up this mirror, guys. Give me a second. This one, good. Check to see if it's good. No cracks, no scratches. This one is good. Load this one up. Give me a second. Alright guys, so let's go pay for this and head out. Let's put in the GPS, see how far we are from the airport. Let's see. Alright, so here, direction. We're gonna go to the north terminal. So it's 39 minutes away, 10:25. So we got time. We could take our time and head down there. Flight gets in. Let me check the flight. So the flight gets in 10:18. It's 21 minutes early, so we could head out and head that way, just in case he comes out. It's a local flight, so it's not international, so they don't have to, you know. You don't have to, okay. This is the mirror right here. I might be able to just walk with it. It's not too heavy. Let's see if I could walk with it. Yeah, I could walk with it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, as I said, see, there's a lot of stuff. Anything you want in here, you can get it at home. Prices ain't too bad. It's good prices. Pillows, you know. They got all sorts of flowers. I'm gonna get some kind of flowers to put inside peppers, just to give it some, you know, all that rugs, to give it a little bit of Caribbean feel. You know, they got all sorts of rugs. You know, anything for your bathrooms. Halloween time, they got a lot of Halloween stuff, vases, pictures. They got everything in here for the home. Anything you could think of, they got it. Alright guys, let me go pay for this real quick and then head out to the airport. The flight is like 21 minutes early, so let me head out. Alright, so we paid for our mirror. We're at home in the parking lot. Got our mirror loaded up right there in the back. So now I'm gonna work my way down to the airport. So let me put that into the GPS. It says 38 minutes. The flight should get in at, I checked the flight and it says it's gonna get in 10:29, right? So by the time he goes through all that, you know, stuff and everything, and come out, it's probably gonna be by about 11. So according to the GPS, I'll get there 10:36. So I ain't gotta be in a rush at this point. Yeah, I ain't gotta be in a rush at this point. But there is some traffic, so I'm gonna head that way. If you know, if anything, I'll just wait closer down by the airport, you know, instead of waiting up this side, because I'm still like 40 minutes 30 minutes away. So let me head down that way and, you know, check on in back when I get down there. Alright, I'm leaving at home now. So yeah guys, if you need anything, come to At Home. It's a big old warehouse. They got everything. Google them, they might be in your area. Let me put my seatbelt on. There's not many stores all over here in Georgia where I'm at, where they got probably like 3 or 4 of them scattered all over Georgia in the area, in and around Atlanta. But a really good store if you're trying to find home stuff to decorate your home, or, you know, vases, stuff like that. Check them out. Turn some air on, it's hot. So yeah, so I'm, you know, crossing off stuff on the list. I went, you know, to the Peppers, dropped the wood floors off. I got the mirror for the barber room. Spoke to the plumber. I actually met another plumber while I was over there. He's gonna be working on this, the space next door, the other restaurant. So got his number and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm going through, guys. I'm going through. Today is a busy day. I still gotta, when I pick up my virgin, we're gonna go to the truck yard, pick up the other van, get some stuff from the trailer, or bring the trailer to the house. Yeah. So let me see where this GPS is taking me. Oh, it was taking me over there. I was in the wrong lane. So I'm gonna just take the back road and head over. Yeah guys, so we on it. Picking up the door frames. Once I get the door frames, I'm gonna move to the next things, maybe the ceilings. I'm gonna get all the ceiling tiles that I need. As I said, these items are getting more and more expensive as we speak. So because of that, I'm going ahead and getting all I could get towards the build. You know? Yeah. Yep. Alright guys, so I'm on my way. I'm heading to the airport now, so I'll check back in when I get closer to the airport. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome to the Atlanta traffic. We're going into the city. We're on 85 South. But this is where it looked like 10:30 in the morning. Still a lot of traffic going into the city. 85, 75 South is always going to be crazy because this is the road that takes you through the city. Anybody coming from out of town passing through Atlanta, you're going to drive on this road right here. So it's always backed up no matter what time of day, unless it's late in the night, you know, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, it might be free. And then sometimes throughout the day it might get free, but most days, most time it's like this. On a Sunday, Saturday maybe not as crazy, you know. The city is mostly closed on the weekends. Corporate is closed on the weekends. But yeah, we heading through. I'm heading to the airport, pick up my Virgin, and then from there we're gonna head to the warehouse that sells the door frames. So stay tuned guys. I'm in the traffic. I'm heading to the airport. The plane should land anytime now, 10:30, somewhere there about. So by 11 he should be out. So we'll check back in once I get there. But this is the traffic guys. It is moving, but it's not standstill and it's not free flowing. You know, we're doing probably around 25-30 miles. Anyway, we getting there. Oh, see, there's a little accident right here. I guess his wheel fall off or something. Yeah, he hit something. So we on it guys. We on it. Oh, there's the city right there. It's a good view. When you come around this corner, it's a good view. I'll show it every time. So got Atlantic Station to the right over here. Then we got the city. I think this is one of the good views coming into the city. It's a nice beautiful day today. It's nice and sunny. I think I need to do a thumbnail. So we're pulling into the airport now. Let me turn this radio down. Yeah, we're pulling into the airport. I think I'm early. He said that he said they just landed. He just got off the plane. So we got the airport terminals over there on the right. Going to the north terminal. They're always building over here guys. Look, they're doing construction over here, like they're building another parking lot or something. Yeah, that's another parking lot. Charges more money to park. But yeah, this is the Atlanta airport. It's a huge airport guys. It's real huge. They say it's one of the busiest in the world. Might not be the busiest number one, but you know, it's one of the busiest. Got a lot of flights in and out over here. So I'm just circling. I'm gonna circle. I know he's not out yet, but I'm just gonna circle through the airport, and then you know go around. See if I could. I'm just gonna probably circle once or twice once he gets out. As long as he didn't have any, if he didn't have any checked bags, he should, you know, walk right out. But if he has checked bags, then you know, then it might be some time, because then he has to go and try and find the bag at the carousel, you know. But yeah, we're at the airport. I'm just gonna do a drive-through so you could see what it looks like here at Atlanta airport. So this is a north terminal. So the north, you got a north and a south terminal. Both terminals look the same pretty much. One of them, the south is just dedicated to Delta. So this is where we would all the other airlines are pretty much on this side. So they got a nice covered area. It's a nice covered area over here. You could pick up, and so I'm just gonna do a drive-through, go around and come back. Yeah. So normally what I do is tell him to come up in the middle. You know, pick them up in the middle instead of going over on the right, because there's a lot of traffic on the right. So I'm gonna go around. Alright, so that's pretty much driving through the airport. So let me text him, see how far is that, where is that, and then I'm gonna just do a drive around. Those who didn't know, they got a cell phone lot right here at Atlanta Airport. If you follow the signs, there's a cell phone lot, so you could pretty much park over in here until, you know, until whoever you're picking up arrives. Yeah, it's pretty much it's pretty neat. It's off. It's not close to the airport, but you know, it's close enough. Let me go over here. So go on this side. That way I could. Yeah. So let me park on this side right here. Yeah. So it's like a little cell phone lot. You could park, you know, over here and just wait till you hear from whoever is traveling. It's pretty neat. I like it. You don't have to be there driving around. You know what I'm saying? Like circling every minute, you know. So pretty cool. Yeah. So we at the airport, guys. If you could see, we right by the runway. You could see planes passing by. You know, there's a wing of a plane. They actually, you know, taxiing by. But yeah. Okay, so he just said that he's just coming off the train. See, clouds are really nice. Nice blue skies with some clouds. So we here waiting at the airport. Wait for my brethren. He might come up from Florida. He landed already. You know, Atlanta airport is big. You gotta take a train depending on what terminal you come off on. You get out at, you gotta take a train back to the main baggage area. So he said he just got off the train, so he's coming out now. So he'll let me know once he gets out. So I was estimating right about 11. It's now 10:50, so it takes about 30 minutes to get from the gate to the exit area. So it's not too bad. Yeah, but yeah, guys, it is what it is. We gotta wait. Sometimes you pull up there outside waiting. Sometimes, depending on the traffic, you get here early. Sometimes you get here late. You gotta park and wait. No big deal, you know. So from here, we're gonna head over to I'm gonna head over to the I'm gonna head over to, what do you call it? I'm gonna head over to the door frame place. So let me put that GPS coordinates in. Yeah. Guys, only in Atlanta you have them thing you have one. Man, stack up on the car, guys. God help him. I only hope he reach where I go safe and none of them no blow off. Hey guys, so we're up here in down here in Ellenwood picking up the door frames, but he ain't here. He said like 45 minutes they went to make a delivery, so I just gotta wait. I'm gonna wait because it's far away from me. So that's the place right here. Hardware doors and frames, guys. Alright, my people, so I'm gonna get the trailer out. Oh, see? I have it hooked up to Smokey. So this is a food trailer, guys. That's a food trailer right there. I will be selling that trailer. I took the fan off the top. It's in the back of Smokey. So see, that's the food trailer right there. So normally that's what I do with that truck right there. That's why I have Smokey. It's to pull this trailer. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got the trailer loaded up, my bridging there, so him help me with the trailer for hook it up, and you know, there it is right there. So now I'm gonna head to the house. So I'm gonna take it to the house first, take a couple of stuff out, and then take it over to the restaurant later on tonight, maybe, so I could take those things out. So yeah guys, give me a minute. I'm gonna close this gate and head on up the road. Alright guys, so we're on the road. Trailer is behind us. It's heavy, guys. It's got a lot of stuff in there, a lot of equipment, so real heavy. But yeah, we on it. We working, you know. We working. So we're on our way. As I said, I'm gonna drop this trailer at the house and start taking some stuff out. I'm gonna take some stuff out of it and then go over to the restaurant and take the rest of the stuff out. So we're on it. Guys, that's why we call her Smokey. She smokes when we put her under pressure. She's gonna smoke. Look, we're going up this hill. Guys, see Cara where I give Tesla a run for them money. The Lucid Air. Fast na ras. Ugly too. It's a very ugly car. But it's very fast. Tesla rival. With a Chick-fil-A, rain a tear, so we can't get to unload the trailer. But we're just going to wait out the rain and then unload the trailer later. We'll grab a bite to eat and then drop off the chair and unload the trailer.